Get ready for the muscle song, the muscle song, the muscle song, the muscle song, the souls, the souls, the muscle song, the muscle song.
See the chest, you can flex your pectoralis, major out, minor in, so that you can press underneath on the ribs as a serratus. Anterior for boxing fitness. Turn the neck, Sternocloidomastoid is here. Omohyoid, Sternohyoid, work in tandem. Deer on the back, now the Trapezius up here. Upper middle and inferior.
Shoulders up, shoulders down, feel the deltoids work. Abduction of your little arms. The biceps, brachii, and brachialis. Flex the elbow, looking strong. Turn around the triceps, cause extension in the shape of a horseshoe. To the forearm, Brachioradialis. Carpi, ulnaris times 2.
At the Carpi-radialis, flexor, extensor 2. The hand has many muscles that we're not going through.
This is the muscle song, so sing along. 600 plus that you can trust to move you on your way. Smooth, cardiac and skeletal, soft tissue, changing posture, locomotion, organs too.
Give me abs, can't resist, rectus abdominis, tendinous, inscriptions for some definition. Got obliques with technique to rotate and twist intercostals from the chest and ribs. The longest muscle is the sartorius, adductors longest and gracilis, tensor fascial, latat, and pectineus. It's your thigh, here we cannot miss.
Take a look, the quadriceps in 4 parts, rectus femoris on top, on the outside vastus lateralis, medialis near the crotch. Down below the vastus intermedius sits on the long femur. With the quads you can walk, you can run, jump, squat, extend the knee, be a dancer. This is the muscle song, so sing along. 600 plus that you can trust to move you on your way. Smooth, cardiac and skeletal, soft tissue, evolutionary wonders inside. Rhomboids.
Retract the shoulder blades with major, minor.
In for spinatus.
Anteriors make the shoulder liner. Lats are looking broader. Erector spinae will make you taller.
Glutes are freaking huge. The largest muscles they include
the maximus, the medius, and minimus. Hamstring placement just below it. IT band, adductor, magus, biceps, femoris, or flexor, semitendinosus 2, and semimembranosus 2. Calves can flex the foot for you. The gastrocnemius for jumping too.
That's all he is, points down your toes, so you can put on all your clothes and cover all your muscles
and move.
Thank you guys for watching. This science song is very fast, so I just wanted to say if you're finding it difficult to memorize, you can use the YouTube controls and actually slow down this video. I know a lot of people have done that for like the periodic table song and the pi song, so feel free to try that. And I also wanted to ask, what other science songs would you want us to make? What other things would be useful to memorize? Some people have been saying the amino acids or the Krebs cycle. Let me know in the comments below, and maybe we'll turn that into a science song as well. Otherwise, see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.